welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this wig that I got off of Amazon. It's a human hair curly wig. It is a it's short in length. It's like 14 inches, I believe, but if you know, in curls 14 inches is not long. So y'all are going to see me install this wig. This is my very first time installing a wig with lace on it. But I really like this hair. It was very soft. And yeah, I wanted to try something new. So I'm just showing you guys everything that the wig comes with. It has the combs inside. This is what the lace looks like. I'm not sure if this is good lace or not, but this is what it looks like. These are the curls. Y'all, the curls are so pretty, and I love the color. I forgot to say that I love this color too. It is a middle part. I did go back and repluck it, but it looks like it's kind of what it has a part in it. But I really love this. I said, oh, this is cute and different. I did wash it. I just used some regular natural shampoo that I have, and I washed it and I plucked the part again. But yeah, these are what the curls look like while they are wet. I was like, oh, I really like how these curls look. But I'm just gonna blow dry this. I got this wig head off of Amazon also. So I'm just blow drying the hair to see how it comes back. And this is what I'm gonna be using so it's not so frizzy. And yeah, now it's time to install this wig. Okay, y'all, so I really struggled getting this wig on my head. I really think it's too small for my head. I'm not sure, but I struggled. Every time I tried to pull it down, it like lifted up again. So y'all gonna see me try to struggle to pull it down again, but this is how it looks when it's on my head. I thought it was really cute. Okay, so I forgot to mention that I'm actually using another YouTuber's installation method. Her name is John Marie. Y'all should definitely find her because I already know she will be more detailed than I am. But yeah, so she basically just puts the wig on, cuts the lace off, and put some concealer on the lace, and it's just that simple. But y'all, I was struggling so hard to get this wig to stay in its right place. So yeah, y'all will definitely see that, but I finally got it at the end. Okay, y'all, so after spraying the Got to Be glue, it definitely works. It definitely held the wig in place so that I was able to cut the lace off. Cutting the lace was not easy, y'all. I really had to go off camera and figure out how to do this so that I can show y'all like how I did it. And after I cut it off with the scissors, I went back with I guess it's like an eyebrow razor, and got the remaining lace off the edges.
Something about the way that you talk to me, even when you're not around, I feel you, boy. you, boy. Tangled in your love and your energy. Perhaps it was the way that you smile. I see you, boy.